Once you see this trick, you'll never buy scented tumble dryer sheets again. But before I show you what I do, there's one thing many people forget about. Always start by cleaning the filter. This is where lint from your clothes, dust, pet hair, human hair, detergent residue, and other small particles left behind after washing collect. Over time, they can build up into a thick layer that restricts airflow and makes the dryer take longer to dry your clothes. Cleaning the filter regularly helps the appliance work more efficiently, reduces energy consumption, and lowers the risk of overheating. First, remove all the lint that has collected in the filter, then rinse it under running water. All you need is a small amount of any cleaning product and an old toothbrush. This is a very important step. It removes built-up residue thoroughly and helps your dryer work even more effectively. Don't forget to clean the filter compartment as well. A lot of dust, dirt, and residue can build up there too. Now it's time for the trick I promised. Take 2 cotton pads. They work perfectly because they are highly absorbent and gradually release the fragrance while the dryer is running. Soak them in a small amount of your favorite fabric softener. Next, place them inside the dryer filter in the area where the lint collects. Close the filter and put it back in its proper place. Run the drying cycle as usual. It's a simple trick that means I no longer need to buy scented dryer sheets. I save money, and my laundry comes out smelling exactly the way I like it. This method costs next to nothing. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need one ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Drop 2 tablets into your white laundry. The results will be stunning. Don't throw away expired aspirin tablets just yet. It turns out they have hidden properties perfect for washing white clothes. Aspirin has whitening effects, making it ideal for removing yellow stains caused by sweat or food. Dissolve a few aspirin tablets in a bowl of warm water, then soak the clothes you want to whiten for 15 minutes. Afterward, place them in the washing machine and run a cycle. Alternatively, you can toss whole aspirin tablets directly into the washing machine. Besides brightening your whites, aspirin also helps reduce limescale buildup inside the machine. The results are immediate. Clothes come out brighter, and stubborn stains disappear. Did you know aspirin could be used this way? You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white.